So in an effort to always try to improve communication with home, kind of redesigned the website to give you as much access to things as I can that isn't protected with student work and that sort of thing that you need to have an account with. So here it is, pretty basic setup. Try not to get too tricky with it. Hopefully you can find everything you might need. So here's the welcome screen, or the main home screen. Gives you a little information on some of the services that we use. If you want to subscribe to the Remind service, I have a blog where I ramble about some things in addition to what goes on in class. Student resources, things we use at school. Kids use Hapara, they use Classroom, they use Moodle. They have an opportunity to use Trello as well, and Seesaw, which is a digital portfolio, and we'll get to those later on as the year goes on. But over here on the left side, for parents and the class resources, each day the kids see a lesson plan in a slides format, and they're all here by folder. As I add more items to the folders, you'll see more appear. I also have screencasts at the end of each week, as well as some topic screencasts from class, as well as a video like this in the screencast folder. As you scroll down, I also have some links directly to some resources on my YouTube channel. So there's the curriculum night info, playlists on YouTube, the weekly science videos, as I mentioned up in the screencasts, any directions I make for class assignments that are recorded, class topic lectures, again, all in the screencast as well, but this is what you see on YouTube. And then signed documents from class. Occasionally I need to send something home to you to get it signed. I'll keep a copy of those things here as well. As you see the safety contract there that needs to be returned as soon as possible signed. Back to the left side, we have CK12 online textbook. That link will take you there. You can see the text. The kids have accounts, but you can still see it. It's public information. My YouTube channel, again, which has all these playlists and videos on them. The calendar. The calendar is one of the class periods, and it's pretty much the same in every period. So you can see whenever I post things to Google Classroom, the due dates would be there. There's a link to the Moodle I mentioned earlier, but you won't be able to get in. The kids have accounts since it's private and protected. Link to the Trello service. I have a Facebook page you're welcome to follow, where I send out information as well. I link all the services together, so whether it's it's Twitter, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Instagram, they all get pushed out to each other. But if you're a Twitter person, there's the Twitter page. There's the Seesaw link to the digital portfolio. You can actually sign in and attach yourself to your student's portfolio, and you can see what they post. But we haven't started using that yet. We will. And then there's a link to my outside blog. So that's really, a quick way to keep up on what's going on with what you can have access to. And hopefully it helps answer any questions you have about what it's like to be in class.